Hi, kids! Welcome to Fruity Friends Garden. Today, you're going to meet some of our fruity friends who are full of yummy goodness and superpowers that help keep you healthy and strong. Let's get started.
Hi there, I'm Apple. I'm crunchy, sweet, and great for your tummy. Here's what makes me special. I'm packed with fiber that helps your digestion and keeps you full. I have lots of vitamin C to boost your immune system and help your body absorb iron. My antioxidants protect your body's cells.
Apples are awesome!
Hello, everyone. I'm Banana. I'm soft, sweet, and perfect for a quick snack. Check out my superpowers. I'm full of potassium, which keeps your heart and muscles working well. I have vitamin B6, which helps your brain grow and work better. I give you lots of energy with my natural sugars.
Bananas are brilliant.
Hi, kids. We're blueberries. We might be small, but we're mighty. Here's what makes us super. We're loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin K that protect your body. We help keep your brain sharp and improve your memory. Our high fiber content keeps your tummy happy.
Blueberries are the best.
Hey there, I'm Orange. I'm juicy, tangy, and bursting with goodness. Let me tell you about my powers. I'm full of vitamin C to keep your immune system strong and your skin healthy. I have folate, which helps your body grow and make new cells. I keep you hydrated with my high water content.
Oranges are outstanding.
Hi, friends. We're strawberries. We're sweet, juicy, and super nutritious. Here's what we do for you. We're rich in vitamin C and manganese, great for your immune system and skin. Our antioxidants have superpowers to fight inflammation. We have lots of fiber to help your digestion.
Strawberries are superstars. There you have it, kids. These fruity friends are full of vitamins, minerals, and deliciousness that help you stay healthy and strong. Remember to eat your fruits every day.
Stay healthy, kids. See you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe to Fruity Friends Garden for more fun and healthy tips. Bye-bye.